Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 6310. Today I'll show you how to turn on or off airplane mode. So let's enter menu, go to settings and go to connection settings. Switch to flight mode by clicking on this button or this button and go to select. Now airplane mode is on. Let's switch it off. And now airplane mode is off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.